Can you hear me now?
Yeah, totally.
It's Bluetooth enabled as well.
Wait, so it's like all in one?
Yeah, you can also remove outside noise like that.
That's so cool.
Can you hear me now?
Oh, wow, I can hear you really clearly.
Whoa, this is crazy.
Check them out. Can you hear better?
Yeah, these are awesome.
Yeah, also they have this feature, noise cancellation.
That's great.
Here are 3 reasons why you should buy Olive Air. Firstly, Olive Air is an FDA-listed hearing aid to feature active noise cancellation. It's like having quality earbuds that also function as a hearing aid, and I love that. Wow! Secondly, it's reasonably priced, despite its great performance. Olive Air is incredibly affordable. Look at the design. I mean, when you see this, it doesn't look like a hearing aid at all. It looks just like regular earbuds. Lastly, you can also adjust the sound settings yourself, so there's no need for expensive procedures like hearing tests.